Earth, hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to May's Tarot Healing. And this reading is for our lovely Pisces. So Pisces, this is what's up or about to happen in your life. This is your good news, Pisces, and this is a general reading, so just take whatever it is that resonates with you guys. Again, if you want to book a reading with me, feel free to message me in my TikTok account or here in my page. So, there you go, Pisces. We have the sun here, no? Nakikita ko dito, Pisces, na marami sa inyo yung magiging successful or mostly is magli-lift yung energy nyo or mas mahihila kayo in the um, positive area or era ng life nyo. Parang biglang magbo-boost yung positive energy nyo, no? And nakikita ko rin na may mga maa-achieve kayo or may matatapos kayong mga goals. It could be 1 to 3 goals na meron kayo sa life na possible na maging unexpected ito or but you are going there. Okay? So, may mga nakikita ko mag-aabot na tatanggap ng trophy. May nakikita ako na some so, yun nga, Pisces. May nakikita ko sa inyo na may mga ikakasal. May mga itatayong bagong business dito. And mostly, there's a lot of good energy or possibility, no? So, Pisces, ano rin kayo, no? Medyo guided din kayo. So, guided kayo, guys. Maybe hindi nyo alam kung paano kumonek or paano i-receive yung mga messages ng mga guides nyo, spirit guides, but you are guided, just to let you know. Okay? Meron kayong guidance na nare-receive. So, just in case you have that gut feeling, that's your guides telling you to go this part or this way, this path. Okay? So, yun lang nakikita ko dito, Pisces. A lot of good energy, positivity, especially this August sa inyo. Okay? So, marriage. Meron talaga. Nag-highlight talaga yung marriage, guys. So, may mga ikakasal sooner or may mga propose. So, alam nyo na yan. Congratulations in advance. So, ayun lang, Pisces. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good day.